probably know you're deciding to apply for the challenge, and there's one big question you're asking you, how you can get hands on these APIs. So my name is Noel, I'm product manager for network APIs at Deutsche Telekom, and I will explain you a little bit about the APIs and explain you also where you can find the necessary documentations. I will help you to find everything what you need. The past 3 years we did a lot of challenges with different companies to find out how they can work with network APIs, and now is the part to invite you to be also part of the journey. Let us make a deep dive into what network APIs are. The goal of network APIs are to expose capabilities out of the telco network, to help you as a developer to interact directly with the network. This is really cool because the first time that we as Deutsche Telekom exposing our own capabilities towards developers so that they can directly interact with them. So that the telco is not anymore a black box, it's more or less something which you can manage, where you can get information out of it, and which can help you to make your use cases better than before. In this challenge we offer you 3 APIs. First one is device status. In device status we have 2 different endpoints. The first one is connectivity. With connectivity endpoint you can get the information if a device is connected or not, and you even get the information if a device is connected via SMS or just for data. The other endpoint is roaming, where you get the information if a consumer is right now in a roaming scenario or not. This is meaning you get the information if I'm currently moving to Spain, you get the information, okay, Noel is not anymore in Germany, he is in Spain, and you can then work with information in your use cases. The next API is verify location. There you can give us geolocation data and a radius, and then we will check if a device is in this area, yes or no. The good point about this API is we are focusing on our network and not using any GPS sensors in this. So we knowing when the device is connected where it is. The last API we're having is quality on demand. Quality on demand enables you to get a higher prioritization in the network so that your use cases are running even in a congested cell. This is meaning, imagine you're in a crowded area and you want to use your application and it's not working because your network connection is congested. And in this, you can use our Quality on Demand API to get a higher service and a higher prioritization in the network. Our APIs we are exposing are standardized in an alliance which is called Camara. This alliance is open source, and more than 200 different people are working on this to standardize APIs, which then everybody can use. So it is also an open invitation for you to join this alliance to work with us on standardization. This is just a small introduction to the APIs. If you want to know more, you just can go up, click on documentation, and you will find for each API a technical documentation, including a YAML file. You will even find a link to Camara where you can get much more information about the APIs. You also can find a Slack link to get in touch with us for more questions.